Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can deposit in MEXC exchange. So once you're here, what you will have to do is you will basically just click the login button right here, and then you will of course log in with your right credentials, and after that you will after logging in, you should see the wallet section or feature here. And once you see that, you will just have to click deposit, and then you will choose the crypto or fiat as deposit type. And for crypto, you will select the coin, copy the deposit address, and send from your external wallet. For fiat, you will select the payment method and then you will enter your amount and then complete the verification if needed. Confirm transaction and wait for the blockchain confirmation or banking processing. And by the way, you should always double check addresses and payment methods before confirming to avoid loss. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.